Hey everyone, welcome back. If it's your first time here, my name is Amla. Welcome back to my channel. I post videos on makeup tutorials, hairstyles, DIY skincare recipes, and much more interesting videos for a beautiful you. Today's video is on creating this simple and easy party eye makeup look. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I upload new videos. Without further delay, let's get into the video. I have already prepped my eyelid using concealer. Now, before starting any eye makeup, it's always good to groom your eyebrows. First, I'm gonna fill in my brows using a brow kit from Gosh. It has brow powders and wax in them. Using an applicator or an angled brush, mix the brow powder and wax cream, just giving a hair-like stroke in the inner part of the eyebrow. This will give a more natural look. I'm filling in my brows wherever I have sparse hairs to make it look thick and nice. And using a spoolie to smooth out any harsh lines and brushing the brow to set them in place. Once we are done with the eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Scandal 24-hour wear. It's a waterproof kohl kajal in the shade 001. First, I'm creating a wing in the outer V of the eyelid. Extend a line following your lower lash line. And join them with your crease line. This is the crease line where the lid creases into the eye. If you're not sure, then keep your eyes open when you draw the wing. That way you'll be able to draw a sharp wing. Then line the outer third of your upper lash line and join the wing. Don't worry if you're not perfect in lining. We can always go back and perfect them using a concealer once we are done with eyeshadows. Now roughly fill in the outer wing. We are anyway going to smudge it. And line the outer half of your upper lash line. Using an angled brush, slightly smudge the inside of the wing towards the center of your eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with this Revlon Colourstay cream eyeshadow in the shade 710. It's a coppery shimmer shadow with an applicator that comes along with the shadow. I'm applying it all over my lid. Intensifying the shadow by adding 2 more coats to make it more opaque. Don't go above your crease. Go over the outer wing one more time with the eye pencil to make it more sharp and opaque. I'm using a concealer to clean up the mess. Or you can go over it again with a liquid eyeliner to make it more crisp and sharp. Use an angled brush or a flat brush and smudge the concealer. To give some depth to the eye, I'm taking this champagne shade from Revolution's Chocolate and Peaches palette, using a blending brush and swiping it above the crease back and forth. You can build up the color gradually to make it more predominant. I've used 1 or 2 shades darker than my eyelid. I'm using this highlighter shade from the same Revolution palette and dabbing it in the inner corner of the eye and also to the brow bone. We are pretty much done. Applying a coat of mascara. And this is how it looks once you're done. This is a nude lipstick from MAC. It's called Brave. It's such a beautiful frosty pink color. And here is the end result. I enjoyed doing this video, guys. Hope you also liked it. Like and share this video with your friends. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my uploads. See you guys soon in my next video. Keep glowing and stay beautiful. Bye bye.